Hello people, this is Brett from Elliott Wave, and today we're going to take a look at the top 7 stocks in the NASDAQ. As usual, Apple, blah blah blah, you guys know them. Using Elliott Wave Theory as usual. So I don't really have any news before we get started today, so I guess let's just dive into it. So Apple here, so far so good. I mean that as you guys probably know, if you've been following, I've had this count for quite some time, despite the extreme bearishness I have in this count, right? I'm basically saying I'm expecting this wave 4, which I would expect to end near the wave 4 in 1 degree, aka at around $130 to $150. So I'm expecting something like this, which would take a couple of years, maybe, who knows, or maybe more, maybe less. So that's pretty bearish. But all I said for the short term last time was, look, I see 3 up, let's look at 5 down. Now, it looks like we're doing something like this. So let's keep monitoring this, and probably once we get to equality, we might see a bounce. So equality will stand at $210, okay? That's all I'll say short term. Other than that, do I see any other possible counts for Apple? Yes. But I think the lower we go, the less likely they become. Let me check. This would have to be a double XY now. Ugly one, right? It's pretty ugly, isn't it? I mean, look at this. This would be taking longer than this. I don't think so. So I'm just gonna leave it there, but this is just wrong, okay? So that's not good. 1, 2. I don't know, 1, 2, maybe. I have 1, 2 here, but we talked about the problems that I have. Just erase a few things here. The problems that I had here, kind of in 5 ways. It's more of a 3-wave move, which is also why I have my anti-diagonal as my preferred count. Other than that, I don't really have any other counts, you know. I mean, you could always say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1, ABC for 2 upside. Okay, that is also possible. Needed to say that. That's actually much. Obviously, I'm just gonna do this, this or the other. Okay. The only difference would be that wait for it, we go here. Okay, ABC, something like that, or double XY. So that was Apple. Any questions, user guys? Let me know. Microsoft, also happy about, just because I'm right. If you just take a look at the previous update, you'll see that I'm on a line. I was right. Further downside, it looks like we could be close to a bottom of some sort. I'm not saying that we're going to bottom. I think it's a very interesting position. So none of this was or ever will be financial advice. In my long-term portfolio, I'm tempted to buy Microsoft and Google. We're gonna take a look at Google soon. So 20% drop is pretty nice. It's a pretty nice discount. Still very expensive company when you look at valuation and stuff. But either way, wise down, 3 up, and it looks like we are making 5 down. Maybe, I don't know. You could just move this in here, because you could argue. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe for 3. You could argue that. So it looks like we're getting close to the bottom. That's all I'll say. I mean, to some sort of a potential bottom we see now. If we could always have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is not wave 1 with this degree, obviously, but it's a larger degree. Now you don't see anything on the left because I'm probably hiding it. Oopsie. Because I'm a naughty boy. Oh, that was the alternate. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I genuinely prefer this one because it broke the I don't even know what to call it. Yeah, that's my preferred count, long-term count. I'm not gonna go over it today. By the way, I posted the S&P long-term count video, which hasn't been doing as well as the NASDAQ one. So if you guys want to take a look at that, you can find both the S&P and the NASDAQ starting from 0, from the monthly, weekly, whatever. Okay, so that was Microsoft. Usually, any questions, let me know down in the comments. Oh, this is Amazon. With Amazon, I think I should have another account. Yes, so where is... Oh, why didn't I put it in a folder? Damn it. Oh, God. There's some things I will never learn, I guess. Sorry, people, for wasting your time. I'm sure you'll forgive me. Hopefully. What the... Go up. Go up. There you go. What has just happened? Okay, so basically what I want to say is, oh God, 3, 4, 5. With Amazon, I'm saying this. Okay. Minor. Now you could argue. Okay, this is the question, which pretty much goes for everything else. I mean, almost everything else. You see this 3 and 4, right? So you could argue it's 5 here. Now, if you zoom out, it's possible, because if you zoom out, you see that actually, I think we're at equality of 5 against 1, aren't we? We're very close to equality of 5 against 1. And many times, equality is a very common fib target for wave 5s. Equality with wave 1, obviously, are the same degree, needless to say. Now, now the question is, could it be intermediate wave 5 here? So the answer to could it, yes. Is it? I have no clue, guys. As usual, if I knew, I wouldn't be here. And I wish, trust me, I wish I knew. And as much as I like you, I wish I wouldn't be here. So I have no idea. It's possible. It's not. I guess it'll depend mainly. Usually, this type of questions mainly depend on the fundamentals, right? Depend on the whole environment, how the company is doing, so on and so forth. And how the company is doing is also affected by the environment. Now, I don't want to really label these. Probably end less like this. Okay, sorry. But the main point is, it looks like a temporary bottom is in place. This is going to be my preferred count so far. Oh, I'm probably going to be proven wrong in a matter of a week or two. We'll see. But this is going to be my preferred count for the time being. Now, should I put everything in? Probably should. Okay. Meta. With Meta, I'm the most bearish, I'd say. Kind of similar with Apple. I'm calling this in place. So far, so good. Once again, I'm expecting a wave A. Minor. And then further downside within intermediate. Now this could be... Oh, God. All the degrees are effed up. I hate it. I hate it. I'm sorry, people. So everything should be moved 1 degree lower here. Let's just do that. Now, there is a case for Meta with a free wave move, okay? A, B, C. A, B, C. Call me crazy. It's possible. So just throwing out there before it's too late, I guess. So yeah. Oh no, wait. I think I messed up. Well, who cares? Because once I go here, yes. Once I go here, sorry, I'm just making a lot of confusion. Okay, so here it should be everything 1 degree lower, and this could be intermediate 1 of primary 3. Okay, now is it? I have no idea. Could it? Yes. I'd expect a pullback to at least the area of the previous 4. Okay, so right here, $450. Okay, so I'm gonna be fairly quick today, so yeah, I don't want to waste your time. Tesla, validated, goes to don't swear. This, I believe it's this. Boom, boom. Significant top in place here, as you expected. I mean, not as you expected, but as I said, it's the same that I said for Amazon. Could intermediate wave 5 be in place? Last week, the weeks before, I said, could primary wave 5 be in place? And I'm pretty sure my answer would have been the same of today's with Amazon. Could it? Yes. Is it? I wish I knew. I wish I could tell you guys, but I don't know. So looking for this, obviously. And this is gonna, I mean, if I'm correct, which I might not be, I may be, I don't know. Time will tell. So don't want these to show on the weekly. If I'm correct, if you guys understand, we're gonna correct the whole move from 2011. Okay? So it's gonna take some time. Well, not necessarily too much of a time, could be pretty straight to the point, but it's gonna be nice to watch. Nvidia, oopsie, that's a nice line. So I'm sticking to my count. It looks like we are due a turn soon. If you look at our side as well, but yeah, volume is very. This volume suggests bulls. Sorry, mumbling. Bulls are entering the market, which is nice to see if you're a bull. And as I said, as long as we keep trading above 100, we can see further upside. Obviously, this is strong confluence, ending near the wave formula last degree. Free wave move, A, B, C. So it's looking interesting for the bulls. That's all I'll say. Last but not least, Google, kind of, oopsie, similar to, what's it called? Amazon, wave 1. And I'm looking for a bottom wave A, and then further down sign to wave 2. And as just like Amazon, you could ask Barrett, is wave 5 in place? Sorry, is wave 5 in place here? You guys let me know my answer down in the comments. Same as Amazon, same as I said for Tesla. Could it? Yes. Is it? I wish I knew. And with that note, people, any questions, you guys let me know down in the comments. You can always join the Discord, it's absolutely free. Just beware scammers, and thank you for watching. I was quick today. That's what she said. I'm used to it. Yeah, just wanted to give you an outlook on what I'm seeing. And then perhaps next week we'll go into the more details on the intraday. Thank you for watching, and have a great Wednesday, everyone.